Alright, see it here? So here we are, people. It's a 2016. So it's been a while since you guys have heard anything from my channel, but a lot has been happening. So as you know, with this whole pandemic, a lot of us had to change jobs. I was one of those persons. So I shifted out of video production. I'm on a construction project now, helping to get some accommodations completed for our military. Oh God. Yeah. Just see a message now. I said you want to move it. Alright, when you're free up, I can pass through. Because I'm busy over the last 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm coming football.
Yeah, man, where there?
I'm coming on.
Alright, that's nothing. Come take me off a roll up that side there. Anyway, come get a signature on something. This will actually be my first meal. Kind of bad though. Burger King for your breakfast. But ham and cheese sandwich. Ham and cheese sandwich normally nice. 43.
What kind of fries or hash brown?
Hash brown.
What you know? Ham and cheese.
Yeah.
You put both in there, yeah?
Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, so good look. I get hash brown and fries, because the general never sure which one I want, so my Burger King breakfast is expanded this morning. Get more than I bargained for, which is good. Which is right, for $800, I know. Look at I get two nice cooked breakfast, and I'm on ackee and sawfish, and my banana, my Irish, and my sweet potato, breadfruit, fry plantain, and callaloo. So the plan was to link up my brethren and get some shots of the vehicle, show you guys inside, outside, engine shots all over of this newly imported Axio, but I have to go back on the site, get some stuff signed, and hopefully in my lunchtime I can give him a link and show you guys what the car look like. So I had to help out the situation. We end up over the airport. Still not reach Axio yet, but we definitely are gonna do it today. But we're there at the airport and buck up on a bad machine. A bad Jeep, alright, so well rugged. Wow, fatty, whoa. It's actually 5:20 now. Would you believe that I am yet to look at this Axio? The day Yo, the day seems like it's shorter today. So much things happen today, but we're on our way to look at it now. It's just that me even call Pari and find out if him dead still. Hold on there.
Yo.
Yeah man, you put me on hold, eh? I say I roam on the side of the new scheme them there. And that's some drive. Yeah man, the new church looking ugly house them what them a build.
Yeah man, I roam.
Alright, entrance. Alright, cool. My turn back.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Almost there. Thought yeah, we're gonna look at the car. But Bridget never got touch road. So we're gonna meet him on the road instead of going to his place. We'll meet up on the road and get some shots, get some view of this vehicle for you guys. Alright, see it here? So here we are, people. It's a 2016, 2015 Toyota Axio, just imported. So yo, you're getting a brand new, call it a brand new second-hand vehicle. You'll be the first owner in Jamaica. And that's how it's set. So what I did was to clean up the interior. So the seats are fresh, well clean, well proper. Ceiling or roofing well sought out. Let me see engine there. Let me see engine there. So you might wonder, yo, want to mats them, how the mats are in there? Yo, don't worry your head, man. Car just clean up, you know. Engine well fresh. The man I say, yo, here what happened? You treat the car like it a come from a dealer. Essentially this is a dealer. But we treat the car like it's fresh, brand new, so that the owner who gets it, you don't really have nothing to do. So the engine was cleaned up, the interior was cleaned up. Well again, it's serviced. Serviced, so brake pads. So along with the interior being cleaned, the engine being washed, the vehicle was serviced, so full service done, brake pads brand new. What gonna happen to this? What gonna do to it? Fitness
valuation free.
Fitness is done, valuation is done, and you get a full tank of gas. Yo, so added to that, the headlights them well fresh. Really fresh. Pop the trunk, come and see the trunk. See your big bad bozy trunk. Yo, I tell you one time I did have to move and it's a 2016 Axio. I have to pack up my things in it, and I one trip I make. The trunk, all everything, the inside, pack up, hold everything. See your mats them drop in, mats them well fresh. Yeah. Mats them well fresh. And yo, along with your free fitness and your free service and all of that, of course you get a calendar. So you get a calendar from the dealer. Yeah. What mileage look like? Well, the mileage is under, way under 100,000. See there? 56,725 kilometers on the clock. Full double-din display or radio. Everything works. No problem with it whatsoever. So everything works. You get a fresh vehicle. Whoever purchases it will be the first owner in Jamaica. So pretty much never driven by anybody on Jamaican soil. You'll be the first owner. It's a 2015 Toyota Axio. And it's going for how much? Yo, go in the comments and you're gonna see the price. You can't beat the price and nowhere can beat this price. In the comments, I'll have the price listed. Check it out. But yeah, this is your 2015 Toyota Axio. We don't know them already good pan gas. So if you're looking for a brand new vehicle, you're fresh out of, fresh out of school, you want to get fresh off a walk foot and going or something, this is the car for you. Good pan gas. Servicing now gonna broke your pocket. It already serviced already. And pretty much most of the stuff that you'd spend money on is already taken care of. The engine cleanup, its service, fitness deal with already, registration. Yo, what else can you ask for? So this is what we've been waiting for all day, and here it is finally. Hold on, I almost forgot. There's something. Your rain visors, of course. Some more while in your car, you want to really wind down all the way, I really want to run your AC. Kind of crack it a little bit. Still have your fresh air coming in. And if you start rain, you don't have to worry about that. You get your rain visors with it. Hold up again. There's one more thing I missed, and that's the tires. Brand new tires. This is a rear tire. And the front tire, also brand new. So again, one less thing to worry about when you purchase this vehicle. Tires are brand new, servicing is done, engine cleaned, interior cleaned, fitness done, registration done. Pretty much everything is already taken care of. The only thing you need to do is just buy and drive. So check out the description area. You'll see more information on this vehicle, the number to call if you want to purchase it. And if you out there have a vehicle that you want to sell, hit us up, let me know, come by and do something for you. I'm out.